Hi team, good evening. Hi Preeti, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening,
Hi,
Prakash.
Shivam. How are you?
Fine, Prakash. How are you, Prakash? Hi, Samin. Hi, Samin.
Yes, sir. I have a small issue. I am
Yeah,
hospitalized actually for the
yeah,
last week.
yeah.
Now, I have some eye injury. Now, one eye is, the totally it's not, visible now.
Oh my God, you will
So
recover it. You will recover soon.
yes, I am hospitalized, but anyway, I
You
can
can
listen.
you need not come on
Yesterday,
video.
day first, I was
Yeah,
there.
yeah. Samin,
Huh?
you need not come in the video. You can just switch off the video and you can listen it. And we all pay for you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah,
Sure.
yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
So,
Sir, good evening.
yeah, Padmeshwari, good evening. So we will start at 6 o'clock. Hi Anshu, how are you? Hi Anshu.
Hello, sir. I'm good.
Yeah, okay, very nice. Doctor, hi Amita. Hi Amita, how are you? And we are having some new people. Chandrasekhar. Hi Chandrasekhar. Chandrasekhar, you are from Telangana, isn't it?
Oh,
Acha, acha.
yeah, hello.
Acha. Where are you from, Chandrasekhar?
I'm from Chennai.
Acha, Chandrasekhar. Acha, you are also from Chennai. Okay, I am put up at Ambattur. You?
Puru.
Horu. Wow. Okay. So we have 2 more minutes. We will start. Yeah. Acha, okay. So till people join, so let's have a discussion. Let's discuss about something related to psychology. Hi, Banamati, how are you?
Hi, sir. I've joined the soft skill course from tomorrow and Maternity.
Acha, very nice, Banamati. So today we will. Hi, Muthuvel. Muthuvel. Hi, Muthuvel. Muthuvel. Muthuvel, sir. Acha, Divya. Okay. So we are having 2 more minutes. People will be joining one by one. So, hi Ashrin, how is your training? Ashrin? Ashrin?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ashrin, how is your
It's
training?
going very nice, sir.
It's going very nice. That's great. So, actually, 2 days we conducted a art therapy program for a company. Actually, the training program we made it through Sanjana, and we usually we invite our people also to give some programs. See, that helps in branding. So one is Apurva joined. Apurva joined, and she took a class on Mandela art. She took the class in a very effective way. She took it in a very beautiful way. That was okay, but make sure no problem. So we had
Yes, sir. Thank you.
yeah, no problem. So we had that program, and coming week, actually, we have 2 programs lined up, but that is a direct program. So I will put it in the group if anybody wants, they can join. And last time we conducted a program in NLP. So NLP, I told for goal clarification. If anybody wants their goal to be clarified, discussion, you can get a free what do you call session from experienced people. Several people have asked. Okay, actually, several people have asked. Actually, I am also looking out for some good people. Okay, you can give
Sir,
session.
actually for train the trainer, I have registered. Today evening, I'll pay the payment.
No problem, no problem, no problem, no problem. So we will have an in-depth discussion today regarding the National Commission on Allied and Healthcare Professionals. I do not know how many of you have completely undergone the act. So this is the act, just I am opening it. You can see, okay, this is the act. So how many of you have read this? You can just put, if you have read means you can put in the chat box you have gone through. So this is the, as introduced in the Rajya Sabha. So this is the bill, okay. This is the bill which was introduced. And is it visible? Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you see, it is having around 42 pages, okay. So the 42 pages, it is not a complete one. It is an abridged version. It is an abridged version. So it talks of various aspects like title and commencement, a definition, then how it will be constituted, who will be the members in it, okay. So the members will be from different government organizations like NIMANS, okay. There are various government owned, government run UGC universities are included. So how they will fill up the positions, etc. And what is a state commission, what state commission will do, and what is the procedure for registration in the central register, and what is the procedure for registration in the state registration register. And it also discusses about, so here it talks about the State and Allied Healthcare Council, how it has to be made, and recognition and reciprocity, okay. So how the institutions will be recognized, what are the things will be taken into account, okay. Then how it will be established. And the other one is finance, account and audit. It is about the how the commission will run, okay. And offenses and penalties. If someone is not following it, who will, what are the penalties? The penalty is 1 lakh rupees fine plus 6 months imprisonment. So then the miscellaneous. In miscellaneous, it talks about various aspects. And the final one is schedule. The schedule discusses about the various courses, the various what do you call titles, the various titles which they are going to register. What are the titles they are going to register? Now, it is always best if we discuss things, because if I look at it, I may have a certain opinion, okay. Always we call it in NLP, map is not the territory. So whatever I think, that may not be the final one. So if as a group, if we discuss, okay, what is your understanding about the particular aspect? That will definitely throw very good understanding about the act, so that we can get prepared. We can get prepared, and before the law passes, we can be ready. We can be ready before it becomes an act. Because there are so many people who have completed their degrees in distance mode. So they have a confusion whether this will be accepted or not. And there are so many people, they have only PG diploma. They don't have, after UG, they have made some diploma in counseling and guidance programs. So how I will be treated. So there are various aspects, there are various questions. Now, if we understand the act completely, we will be able to take the steps now itself, so that we can get prepared ourselves. It is just like COVID. Now, if I take the injection, I'll be, I can be saved. I can be saved. Hope you people are taking the injections, okay? So we will go one by one. So what I will do is, first I will just go through the presentation, okay? Then again from first slide I will start. We can have a discussion, okay? So is it okay?
Yes, sir.
No, what-
Yeah. How many of you have already studied it completely? You can, if you have studied it completely, you can put it in the chat box. Yes, I have studied it completely. If you didn't study, you can put D. So that whoever has studied, even while presenting, I can ask their opinion. What is that they feel? If you have not undergone, you can put D. So that we will. Yeah, Spruti Devata studied completely. So Spruti, you can just help me in understanding. Okay. Spruti. So if you are able to comment the video and help us in understanding more, because my viewpoint may not be the final. So it is better that we take the opinion of the people who have completed it, and even after going through it, even you yourself will get some idea. So that also we will discuss. Yeah. Okay. So we will go to the presentation. Okay. So just I will go through the presentation, then we will have the discussion. So this is called the National Commission for Allied and Healthcare Professions Bill. And what is it? Actually, the objective of the bill that is being mentioned in the first paragraph. Now, any bill, if you are able to understand the objective, we will be able to understand the depth of it. Even I usually used to tell any kind of study in psychology, try to understand the definitions. If you understand the definitions properly, half of the study is over actually, because you'll be able to understand what is it, what is it actually. So the objective is to provide for regulation and maintenance of standards of education and services by allied and healthcare professionals, assessment of institutions, maintenance of a central register and state register, and creation of a system to improve access, research and development, and adoption of latest scientific advancement, and for matters connected therewith or incidental that. So this is objective. Now, if we a little bit go in depth into it, the first one is regulation and maintenance. So the first one comes regulation. So for regulation, they have said certain aspects. The day in which the act comes into effect, everyone who practices, who is in this, will be regulated. That is, the industry will be regulated. So what are the things will get regulated that they have given it in the schedule? What are the different areas that will get regulated? After regulation comes the maintenance. Maintenance of this same, whatever they have regulated, that maintenance. So what are the regulation and maintenance where and all it will be applicable is standards of education and services. One is education, that is training. And the second one is services, the services which we provide. For example, I take training, so that will come under education. And if I do counseling to someone, that will come under service. So standards of education and services by allied and healthcare professionals. So here it is not only institutions, it is they clearly tell professionals also. Then assessment of institutions. For example, if I call myself as a company which is into mental health, so they will assess the institution. What are the credentials the institution has? What are the credentials they have? So assessment of the institutions. Then after that, maintenance of a central register and state register. If someone is practicing all over India, maybe it is central register. Suppose if you are practicing in only one state, then state register. And creation of a system to improve access, research and development, and adoption of latest scientific advancement, and for matters connected therewith or incidental data. So this is the bill. So it has two aspects. One is allied and healthcare institution, and the second one is allied health professionals. So one is allied health professional, the one is healthcare professional. There are two aspects. So the first one is allied and healthcare institutions and professionals. So allied healthcare institution means an educational or research institution. So here institution means it may be governmental or non-governmental. So which grants diploma or undergraduate, postgraduate or doctoral degree or any other post-degree certification in any allied and healthcare professional under this act. So in this, what are the thing comes is, allied health professional includes associate technicians or technologists who is primarily working in a hospital, right from all the technical, the X-ray technician, the sonography, all people who work in hospital, who is into health professional, they are called allied mental professionals. So treatment of illness, disease, injury or impairment, and to support implementation of any healthcare treatment and referral plan recommended by a medical, nursing or any other healthcare professional, and who has obtained any qualification or diploma, degree under this act, the duration of which shall not exceed 2,000 hours spread over a period of 2 years to 4 years, divided into specific semesters. Now here one thing which clearly they state is, allied and healthcare qualification means a recognized diploma or degree possessed by an allied and healthcare professional through regular learning mode. So if somebody has completed through distance mode, for allied health professional, they will not be recognized. So under these acts, anyone who is working under hospital. So there are different aspects in a hospital, okay? For a treatment, assessment, sonography, X-ray technician. So there are various aspects. All these things are given in the schedule. All these things are given in the schedule. So the schedule mentions what are the things will come under this. Now I will show the schedule. Can you mute the calls, team? If you come to the schedule, so this is the schedule. So allied healthcare professional means, so these are all the professionals, schedule. So they are all will come under. So we will not have any repercussion on this. So biotechnologist, biochemist, cell genetist, microbiologist, molecular biologist, molecular genetist. So these are the aspects. So advanced care paramedic, burn care technologist, emergency medical technologist, paramedic. So all these things, anesthesia technicians, operation theater technology, endoscopy, laparoscopy technologist. So these all are the various aspects which comes under this particular one, which comes under allied healthcare institution. Allied healthcare institution.
सुबह पोस्ट बोल के है कल भी नहीं पहुंच रही इसलिए
Team, please mute your call. Okay. So this is what allied health. Very difficult. Okay. So this is what allied healthcare means. So it is not having any repercussion on us, particularly the psychologists or counselors. So allied and healthcare institute, we don't have anything. But the only one thing which we have noted here is, it clearly states here in allied healthcare, you require to study through regular learning mode. This word is mentioned, regular learning mode is mentioned in allied health professional, whereas in healthcare professional, this word is not mentioned. So who is healthcare professional? So healthcare professional includes a scientist, that is, we all will come under this. Healthcare professional includes a scientist, therapist or other professional. Now here, who studies, advisors, this word is very, very important, advisors. Who studies, advises, researches, supervises or provide preventive, curative, rehabilitative, therapeutic or promotional health services, and who has obtained any qualification of degree under this act, the duration of which shall not be less than 3,600 hours spread over a period of 3 years to 6 years divided into specific semesters. Now, this is what it tells, but it is not telling anything whether it is regular mode or distance mode. It is not mentioned in the act. Okay, so this is what healthcare professionals. Now, whoever has read this already, Sprush, someone has already read now. So, what is your understanding about this? What is that you understand? Someone has already undergone this completely, so we can also just share their opinion. Yeah.
So whatever I understood is that both for maybe it might be allied or neither. For healthcare professional also we need a regular course. So I understood in that way, but maybe I may be wrong.
No, actually, that is what I told. We need to discuss this because here, if you see, I am opening the because definitely this is one thing. Now I am opening the actual bill. This is the actual bill. Okay, this is the actual bill. Now, if you come to this place, okay. See, here it says allied health professional. Is it visible?
Yeah.
Okay. Regular learning mode. Allied and healthcare qualification means a recognized diploma or degree possessed by an allied and healthcare professional through regular learning mode under this act or any additional recognized course obtained thereof. Okay, here. But when you come to healthcare professional, it says the duration of which shall not be less than 3,600 hours spread over a period of 3 years to 6 years, divided into specific semesters. But here the word regular mode is not available. Regular mode, it is not available. Then it is mentioned here particularly. When here it is mentioned particularly, okay, regular mode, regular learning mode. When it is mentioned in allied and healthcare qualification, if it is not mentioned in healthcare professionals, so really they might have taken into consideration the vast number of students who are doing these kind of programs through distance. Maybe, I do not know how this is being interpreted. But the simple thing is, as I have shown the thing, it is not mentioned. It is mentioned very clearly in the healthcare professionals regular mode. Because one who one who wants to take the anesthesia specialist or something, they have to go to the regular mode. Okay. But as far as this particular aspect is concerned, healthcare professionals, it is not mentioned. Okay. So any input from anyone's side? Anyone we can discuss?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Fakita.
Yes, sir. The thing is, it is said, mention 3,000 plus hours. So 3,000 plus hours cannot be done via distance mode.
3,600.
Yeah, it is. Yes, and it cannot be done covered via distance mode. So I think maybe they haven't written a distance or a regular mode, but I think with those many hours, only regular classes or things only can be, used up.
Okay, so this is one interpretation. But Pakita, when they have mentioned regular mode there specifically, why it is not mentioned there? Now, Pakita, I have one doubt. Okay, which I will.
Yes,
now, if we take the schedule, here, okay, the schedule mentions, okay, what are the courses categories which will be, what are the categories it will cover? Okay, what are the categories it will cover? Now it says art therapy, it is covered. Now, where do you have a 3,600 hours of training under regular mode in any of the part in India? Do you have any course for 3,600 hours for art therapy?
No, sir, I don't think so.
No, sir.
Then how it will come? That is one thing. Now, the second thing what they tell is HIV counselors. Okay. And one more category is HIV counseling. Now, HIV counseling, maybe you might have studied in the course, But you cannot have a separate thing. It is not available anywhere in India, particularly art therapy. Art therapy is not available. It mentions a dance therapy. Dance therapy, it is one of the category. Dance therapy, 3,600 hours of study, whether it is available in any of the course, even in regular mode, whether art therapy or dance therapy is included.
No, sir, certainly not. Maybe
No.
Lawrence? Yeah.
Then how that it is going to have it. Now, Fagita, one more aspect as far as we are concerned. Okay, this is one of the very beautiful aspect as far as I have seen. Okay, now this is one thing, and now I will go to the next thing. Recognized categories means any category of the allied and healthcare professionals specified in the schedule. So schedule, what are the things that I will tell? One of the very important aspect is serial number 38. Serial number 38, it clearly says, okay, every person who offers his services in any of the recognized categories on or before the commencement of this act shall be allowed provisionally registration under the provisions of this act within such period from such commencement in such manner as may be specified by the regulation. That means even if you have done through correspondence, if you are practicing now, that means it will come under this. What is your idea, team? Please, now you can go through it one more time. I'm just elaborating it, making it bigger. I want every one of you to just read it. Okay. Serial number 38. The clause number 38 in the act, it says, prior to the commencement. That is the act when it is passed in the Lok Sabha, when it becomes an act. Before that period, every person who offers his services, for example, I am offering a service on art therapy. Every person who offers his services in any of the recognized categories on or before the commencement of this act shall be allowed provisionally registration. Provisionally, it is not permanent registration. Provisionally registration under the provisions of this act within such period from such commencement in such manner as may be specified by the regulation. And after that, it says you should have examination like TET, that is teacher education test. We are having a TET. Like that, have a test to see whether they are capable of it, which comes in the later period. That means provisionally they will select. This is what I interpret from 38. So, team, for discussion. Yeah. So, Fagita Farin, what do you think about this 32?
Yes, sir, this is good. But then again, not many people have registered it. They are practicing counseling, therapy, and everything. Not many have them registered.
Yeah, see here, that's every person who offers his services in any of the recognized categories on or before the commencement of this act. Okay. Now here, the thing is then you should prove that you are practicing before this time, and you have some certificates on this, and you are practicing it. You should establish. You should establish that. You should establish in front of them that I am practicing art therapy. And I have did these are the things. For example, today Sanjana has conducted a program that and Apurva has conducted the program under us, and the video is available. That means she is offering the services before the commencement of the service, before the commencement of the act. The only thing is how we can interpret this tomorrow. We do not know how this is going to come. Tomorrow they may insert one more clause and tell only regular mode is applicable. Then we cannot do anything. Whatever we are talking, only our assumptions on which how it will do. Mostly the people who studied in regular mode, they will mostly the people who studied in regular mode, they will say that distance mode is nothing. The people who studied in distance mode, they will say
the left side दबाए फिर हो जाता है.
Soni Kumari, I am removing you. I am very sorry. I am removing you. Yeah. Soni Kumari, I am removing you. If anybody opens their mic, I will remove you. Very simple. Okay. So this is one aspect because tomorrow how it is going to implement it. When it becomes an act, it is a great question. Now,
Sir, can I say something?
yeah, please.
Sir, when they are saying that you have to complete 3,000 hours this training, and then and then you will be recognized. Okay, so in one side they are saying that you can enroll yourself provisionally. So
That
if
is
a
before,
person is
Anshu,
spending,
Anshu,
yes, sir.
it clearly says before the act becomes into operation. See, it clearly says the act, suppose if it comes into effect on May 1st, it comes into effect on May 1st. After May 1st, you should have 3,600 hours of study. But that 3,600 hours of study, whether you are going to have, you should have through regular mode or distance mode, it is going to be questioned because it is not stated very clearly. When they have stated in health, allied healthcare, when they state very clearly regular mode, why that it is not stated? See, they can state it here also. See, it is
Yes, sir. They should. They should.
the person who has made this, the person who made this, definitely it is not that it has been made in one day. The whatever it is passed, it is not made in one day. It has taken months and years actually. Now, when it states clearly here, regular learning mode. If you see here, E.
Yes.
Allied healthcare qualification means a recognized diploma or degree possessed by an allied healthcare professional through regular learning. Now, healthcare profession, it says spread over a period of 3 years to 6 years. Now, our friend asked it, sir, in distance mode, 3,600 hours is not coming. No, it is not like that. There is no difference between the certificate which is issued by Madras University as far as the regular mode and correspondence is concerned. The degree which comes is BA Psychology. That's all. He is having BSc Psychology. It doesn't state he has completed it through correspondence or he has completed through regular. The final degree which is being awarded, it is same, and UGC has recognized certain courses. Now, if we take this, B.Ed is being offered through correspondence and teachers are being appointed. Isn't it? B.Ed is being offered through correspondence. Even UGC recognized course, it is available in Madras University. Rehabilitation Council of India, it offers B.Ed in special category through correspondence.
How it can be possible, sir, without internship, without doing work with the client? How?
RCA, it offers Rehabilitation Council of India. It offers B.Ed through correspondence. Tamil Nadu Open University, it is having. It is approved course. 3 years of approved course. If you complete that program, you will be registered in RCA and you are eligible for normal B.Ed also. In Tamil Nadu Open University, it clearly states this B.Ed. It will be taken into consideration as special education and also for normal B.Ed. If you are going to apply in a school for a teacher position, this will be, this is acceptable. This is UGC recognized. So how this is going to be passed, we do not know. Just I am putting all the things in front of all of you so that even when we meet one more time, I will share the PPT and also the PDF. You people also can go through it and we can have a very long discussion on those things at some point.
Sir, I have Sir, actually, I had completed my BCom and now I am pursuing MA Psychology from IGNOU. So after getting my degree, when I completed my master's in psychology, I'm capable to practice in a psychology or not? Because correspondence.
Yeah, Chandrabhushan, this is what actually now 3,600 hours of study means 5 years.
Yeah.
5 years. Okay.
Right.
If it is 2 years, it will not come 3,600. That means 3,600 years. See, 7 hours per day. 7 hours per day means it is 3 years. Okay. Right. So someone who has completed only 2 years, okay, maybe problem. But Chandrabhushan, that is what I'm telling. You need not bother about the other thing. You can take into consideration of the 32. If you are already practicing, if you are able to establish if you are able to establish that during the commencement of the act, you are the person who is practicing it, you will be registered professionally. Then after, and one more thing, this is a doubt which I am asking. See, as far as the registration of allied healthcare professionals,
Yep.
it is very easy.
Yeah.
Because a regular mode certificate and the number of people will be less.
Yeah.
For example, anesthesiast. Okay, anesthesiast. If at all they are going to register, that will be less number. Okay, comparing to the other aspects. Now, if you take the healthcare professionals, even in Chennai itself, they will have around 2 lakh people, 2 to 3 lakhs people. How that they will register? See, the number of individuals required to work on that.
Yeah.
Isn't it? So maybe a mechanism is required, maybe completely online, completely what do you call, wherein they are trying to judge through online. Because see, individually, if at all people are sit now, even in Chennai itself, I think it will be more than 5 lakhs actually. See, every year in Chennai, there are 2 universities, Madras University and Tamil Nadu Open University. Okay, and there are more than 10 colleges which is offering psychology and MSW. Okay, now every year minimum of 50,000 to 75,000 will be coming out, minimum. So far, how many people would have come out? Just imagine. And even if you want to register everybody, what will be the state registry? What do you call? What they will require, isn't it? How many members they will require to do the job? Okay. So I don't think it will come into effect immediately. So before that, if we try to establish that I am practicing already, we may have some kind of what do you call it? This is my opinion. I'm not telling if you do this, you will get into wrong interpretation. I'm telling maybe as per 38, if someone has completed BSc also in correspondence, MSc also in correspondence, okay. If you show that, if you are able to show the evidence that you are already practicing, maybe professionally you will get registered because of based on that particular 32.
So should I, sir? Actually, should I get some other certificate?
Yes, that is what Chandrabhushan. Immediately apply. Actually, calendar year program is going in all the universities, Chandrabhushan. Okay.
Okay.
Calendar year program, PG diploma, it is being offered in many of the universities. The date is not yet over. Okay. Take 1 year program, then it becomes 3 years. 2 years.
Regular mode. In
2
a
years
regular
PG.
mode.
Yeah, 1 year PG. I'm not telling you will get into, but I'm see now we have to work on something now. Instead of telling, okay, I will not get recognized. Okay, what to do? Instead of sitting like this, we can interpret the law. We can interpret the law and we can do something. And I will go to the very important area. I will go to the very important area. So this is what it says. Okay. So 38, prior to the commencement, if you are able to prove. Okay. Now, what are the categories? Now let us see what are the categories it has. Okay. And I will tell you because it is not that I arranged this program immediately. I have gone through many websites. Okay. I spoke with the people who are in this particular fields. Okay. I spoke with them. I try to understand the complete, what do you call it, the effect of all this.
Okay.
Now, so from EMOCAT, I have come out with something. Okay, it may be helpful, it may not be helpful. Nobody knows it. Nobody knows it whether something will be helpful or something may not be helpful. Yeah, Dr. Mohammed Irfan. Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah, Mohammed Irfan. Dr. Mohammed Irfan? Yes, please go ahead. You have raised your hand. Mohammed Irfan? Okay. So in the schedule, okay, in the schedule.
No.
Yeah, Meenakshi Kumari.
Sir, मैं रेगुलर तौर से बीएड की हूँ, तो बीएड करने का एमए करना जरूरी है सर क्या? साइकोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट था लेकिन होम साइंस में बीएड की हूँ।
नहीं देखिए भाई, तो वो बोल रहा है 3600 hours चाहिए. Now you have to calculate whether 3600 hours coming or not. In अच्छी अगर ऐसी है तो भी 38 says if you are practicing already, you are eligible. So start practicing now. Have some evidence for it, and how you can create evidence, I will tell you. Okay, and whatever I am telling, it is only assumption. It is only assumption. I am not telling if you do this, you will get it. No, I am telling my assumption. This is how I progress, and I am just sharing the information. There is no guarantee warranty. Okay. Now under the schedule, they have not put certain things. See, art therapy they have mentioned. So if you practice art therapy or dance therapy without registration, you will get under, you will be penalized. See, very simple. What it says, under the schedule, they have given some categories. Those categories you should not practice without registration. Very simple. They have given some categories. Other than those categories, if you practice, you are not liable. Now, life coaching is not that. Life coaching, it is not given. So if you practice life coaching, suppose for example, executive coaching you are doing, and if you are doing leadership coaching, the law will not bind. Nobody can put case against you because it is not under the schedule. The schedule mentions certain categories. Only when you practice those categories, without registration, you are liable to be punished. And certain aspects it has not taken into consideration. For example, it has not taken into consideration life coaching. In category, you are not having graphology. You don't have neuro-linguistic programming. You don't have all those things. But it clearly mentions art therapy. When it is being made in the coming years, maybe they may include all these things or they may not include. We do not know. When it is when the act is when act comes into force, they may include or they may not include. But life coaching they will not be able to include because there is no university in India which offers 3,600 hours of training. So you can practice life coaching because it is not coming under the category. You can practice. I can go and conduct stress management program for a company. Nobody can sue me because it is not coming under the category of life coaching. What I am doing is life coaching, and it is not coming under the category. Now these all are the category given in the schedule. Only these schedules, these areas we should not practice. If we practice, it says you will be into trouble. That is, you will be 1 lakh you have to pay and 6 months in prison. Okay. So what are the schedule? Okay. What are the things as far as psychology psychologists are there? Now the one broad aspect is a psychologist that comes under 2634. Okay. And it clearly says except clinical psychologists covered under RCA. So clinical psychologists, they are covered under RCA. So they will not come under this. Apart from clinical psychologists, whoever is psychologist, they will come under this. So for this, maybe UGC certificate PG, they may prescribe. Here, they have not prescribed any qualification that will be looked into by the commission. Now it clearly states in the first para, the commission will sit and propose. The commission will sit and propose qualification for each. For psychologists, they will provide. They may fix even PhD. Who knows it? They may fix even PhD to become a psychologist. Or they may say BSc psychology. We do not know. So the first one is psychologist. The second one is behavioral analyst. Now, behavioral analyst, do you have any 3,600 hours of program in India? Anyone?
No, sir.
3,600 hours of program in any government college. I don't think you have it in the category of behavioral analyst. So the one thing is before the commencement of the act, we can term ourselves as a behavioral analyst. This is my rough idea. So what we are doing is we are starting a program on May 1st on behavioral analyst. The thing is before commencement of the act, if I establish that this is what I'm practicing, May be helpful, may not be helpful. We do not know, but it is better to be truthful. This is behavioral analyst 1, category 2. The first category is psychologist. For that only UGC certificate. Behavioral analyst. The another one is very important aspect. Okay. Movement therapist. It comes under 2269. Movement therapist, including art, dance, and movement therapist or recreational therapist. Okay. So recreational therapist, it comes under laughter therapy and all. Okay. Now, in India, there is no recognized certificate which is being offered for 3,600 hours on all these areas. Have you ever seen a movement therapist degree in UGC in Madras University or Calcutta University or any university? Have you seen? I have not seen. You might have seen. Is there any recognized program? In any university?
No, sir. We also didn't see.
So the best thing is, if I have some certification on this, that may be helpful. So tomorrow I can claim myself as an art therapist. So we are going to start an art therapist program for 30 days, okay, which consists of all the aspects which is mentioned in the, syllabus. So what they have mentioned. What we have planned is, hereafter we will be issuing the certificates based on the words which is being used by the commission. So even the existing dynamic counseling, there are many people have joined. So we will be giving the certificate as integrated health counselor and behavioral analyst. Like that only we will give certificate apart from the existing certificate. So that tomorrow I can show it in the, so this is what I have completed. We can show it. It may be helpful, it may not be helpful, nobody knows it. So that becomes what they are going to tell, nobody knows it. At least some precaution. So one is integrated health counselor, integrated behavioral health counselor, 2635. Health educator or mental health support workers. Health educator or mental health support workers. For these, under these, the various things which comes under is disease counselors, diabetic educators, lactation consultants, human immunodeficiency, HIV counselors, or family planning counselors. So these are the aspects comes under health education. Now, even in these also, I don't think there is no 3,600 hours of study. So we are going to start a mental health educator certification program for 1 month, which will cover all these things. So these are the various aspects which the schedule says. Apart from this, there are no other aspects. For example, I'm showing you the schedule now. I will show you the schedule. One minute, I will show you the schedule. Where it has gone. One minute. So this is what? It's not public. So I will share.
Sir, may I ask a question?
Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, we will discuss. We will discuss completely. So one thing is, I will share the complete these things. So as far as the mental health is concerned, they are showing only these aspects. Yeah, it has come, but it is not showing in the share screen. Why it is not showing files? Advanced, basic. It is not showing the files. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Is it visible? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I am going to the schedule. Okay, the schedule. The schedule is given in the last page. The schedule clearly says what are the things, what are the categories that will get registered. Okay, so these all are the categories will get registered. For allied healthcare professionals, these all are the things will get. These all are the categories. For allied and healthcare professionals, for which they have said very clearly regularly. Okay. Now for these, if you come, now even nutrition science professional, it comes under that. optometrist. So dietitian, if you can see here, it comes under, it doesn't come under healthcare profession. Occupational therapist. Now, community care, behavioral health sciences and other professions. See the title, it clearly says that here it comes the various things which is getting. So one is ecologist, community health promoter, psychologist, behavioral analyst, integrated behavior health counselor, health educator and counselors, including disease counselors, diabetic educators, and lactation consultants. Here it is there. Okay. And HIV counselors, mental health support workers, Okay. Only this much. And you don't see anything other than this. Mental health support workers, movement therapists. So apart from that, they have started giving all other aspects. And if you see in the following pages also, it is not talking about the only one thing it may come under health information is health information management. If you see, that's all. So it is not talking about life coaching. So life coaching you can practice. It doesn't come under this act. So the best thing is I can start practicing myself as suppose if you are under distance mode, okay, you have done suppose for example I'm telling you have done course under a distance mode, and the last says that you cannot practice as a psychologist, but the last says you are not under the category of life coaching. Now you can practice life coaching because that doesn't come under the purview of the law. Life coach has more potential than psychologist, because how many people come to the counseling? People will not go outside and tell, see, today I went to counseling to Shivakumar. Who will care? Nobody will care. But people will tell, yeah, today I went to Shivakumar for a life coaching. So life coaching, if you are in distance mode, you need not bother, because it says you can do life coaching. Because life coaching, it is not coming under the purview of the law. So you can practice it. Only thing it says, whatever is registered in the category, those category you cannot call yourself. You cannot call yourself as a psychologist. You cannot call yourself as a behavioral analyst, but you can call yourself as a life coach, because it is not coming under the category at present. Maybe when they make the schedule tomorrow, all these things may come into effect, or they may not come into effect. Because when I discussed with people, they told one thing. Shivakumar, actually, the commission, when they sat with people, they have taken into various aspects. Because people spend around 3 lakh to 4 lakhs from foreign universities to study things. Okay. So how those things to be accounted? Because before passing of the law, there are several people have done, for example, even this life coaching. ICC charges around 4,50,000 it charges, and I know many people have completed it. So, so how to account all those things? So either they have not accounted life coaching because of those aspects, because it cannot be regulated. It cannot be regulated because there is no university offers life coaching, BSc life coaching. You don't have. You don't have MSc life coaching. You don't have. BSc psychology. You have. So you can take the certificate and you can see whether they have completed, and you can enter into the registry. For life coaching, how you will enter? Because certification is any UGC recognized certification is not. So maybe they would have left life coaching. So life coaching definitely we can practice. So yeah, let us discuss. This is what I have understood. Okay, my understanding may be wrong. My math may be wrong. Okay, now yeah. We will discuss.
So I have a question. I have just done PG diploma in psychological counseling. Okay, and then I've done a certificate course in psychotherapy. Can I practice as a freelancer only? Because at this age, I'm not going to, because I'm working now. Can I practice as a psychological counselor?
Bhanumati, it says clearly before passing of the act. Before passing of the act, if you are practicing, if you are able to show the evidence, you will be provisionally registered.
But I
Whether
am
you
doing,
have-
I am practicing,
No,
but then I don't have
Anumati,
proof that I'm practicing.
that is what you have to create. That is what you have to create. You have to prove in front of them that you are already practicing. See, it says at the 32, it says very clearly, this is the exact word which I have taken, prior to the commencement. Every person who offers his services in any of the recognized categories on or before the commencement of the act shall be allowed provisional registration. That is also not permanent registration. It says it is only provisional registration. That means they will have some clause afterwards. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So we will have people like this. Okay. Don't bother. Okay. So
Sir?
yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
I have done my master's in psychology in regular mode. So can I
Do
practice
not bother.
psychology? Can I
You need not
practice
bother
as a
at all.
psychologist?
Yeah, you need not bother at all because 3,600 hours study already.
But sir,
Please get shouting.
indus I
Please,
have done
team, please mute your calls. Please mute your calls. Please mute
Sir.
your calls. Whoever is not muting the call, I will remove them immediately. Somebody is see, kabhi pagal aa jata hai. So we cannot. You need a treatment from us. Kindly contact us. We will give you a nice treatment. Yeah, we are having very nice people here. Yeah, Priyanka, please go ahead. Priyanka, in that you do not bother because you already have the qualification.
Yes.
Yes,
But
people
sir,
have.
I have done in industrial and organizational psychology, and I was practicing as a school counselor for 4 years.
So you need not bother at all, Priyanka, because if from the school you get a certificate that you are working
Yes,
as a school counselor.
I have.
Now itself getting. See, not after the act is passed. Now itself. Why? Because when the act becomes none, then a certain organization they may tell that if I want to give you certificate, give me this much amount. So the program mainly is that if you are working somewhere, get the certificate now itself and keep it safe. Very nice. So even I tell even the people who have done a diploma in counseling from me, okay, I will change your certificate as behavioral analyst. And whoever has completed, please get in touch with me. I will put it in the group also. I will change the certificate because
Sir, I want to ask
it has no use. It has no use. Diploma in counseling, it has no use. At least the nomenclature which they give, that we can use it. Yeah, yes, ma'am. Please go ahead.
Sir, I'm UGC NET qualified in the subject of psychology, and I was teaching in various colleges. Now, sir, I have enrolled. So now, sir, I have enrolled in your program that is going to start on 15th April. So that is, I think, diploma in coaching and counseling.
Yeah. Okay. So someone has put so people are joining here only to put their group notification. Okay. So,
sir, that program will do, I think, will help me because I was not practicing, I was teaching. No, sir, I have enrolled in your program.
Shruti ma'am, if anybody says, join my program and you will get recognized, they are cheating you. And I will not tell them. If you do my program, you will get registered. No, I will not. Tomorrow, what the act is going to say, nobody knows.
Yes.
The only thing is, I can give the certificate. How the certificate will be viewed by the commission, no one knows it.
Yes, understood.
But the only thing is, what it says is 32. If you are practicing already, okay, you will be registered provisionally. Now, for that, I can give you authentication. How I can give you authentication? The people who finish immediately, I will enroll them in GTCO, Global Trainers and Coaches and Counselors Organization. I will enlist you. Your photo will be there and you are practicing already. And definitely, I will provide you some chances. For example, today, Apurva has joined the program, our program which is going to start. Apurva has joined today. She conducted the art therapy program. 15 minutes she conducted. Okay. The recording will be there. The recording I can show it. See, this is what art therapy and this is what I have conducted. It is a proof. No? See, nobody can say there are 60 people are there in front of you and you are taking class and you are getting claps. Nobody can say you are not practicing. Evidence.
Okay, so
create evidence, team. Create evidence. Today onwards, whatever program you do, create evidence. For example, yeah, 1 minute. Whoever does speakers now, whoever speaks in my programs, even in Sunday, okay, immediately I give them a certificate. Okay. I do not know whether it is useful or not. But what will be useful, what will not be useful, nobody knows it.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Nobody knows it. Nobody knows it.
sir. Sir, I'm running my YouTube channel. That will work.
Yes,
I'm running my YouTube channel.
definitely.
Sir,
You can
where
show
I'm
it.
working on, yes, where I'm teaching as well as I am working on this how to help children and how to help women, because when they're stressed,
Shruti,
so
one
parenting
thing,
techniques.
Shruti,
So
one
this I'm working too.
Shruti,
So
one thing you do.
I think this will work.
Yeah, definitely work. Shruti, and it is for Shruti and everybody. If at all you want to create evidence, government evidence. Today itself register in Udyogada. Register your company. Register your company. Create a company and register it.
Okay.
What is, see, government
Yes,
evidence.
yes.
You don't need
Yes.
GST. You don't need GST. You don't need even 5 rupees. Don't open the ad. See, if you open MSME registration, that is Udyogada registration, if you open, AD will come. AD will come. Don't open the ED. Open the government website. I will show you.
Okay.
Open this one. Register it is simple. See, I will open this.
Yes.
I will open and show you. Udyog registration. Now, go and register your simple.
Okay.
Now, the simple aspect is, now if you see here, Udyog registration, AD is coming. If you go here, they will charge you. Don't go there. Come below.
Okay, sir.
Come below. Udyam registration. Udyam registration. Okay. So this is.
Okay, sir.
Udyam. Don't go to this AD. This they will charge. You go this and register your organization. Create an organization and register it. You are having YouTube channel. Have a YouTube channel on your name and also on the company name. Now, very simple thing should be.
Yes.
Institution is different and individuals are different. For example, in our India, universities are run by LKG failed politicians.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Qualification has nothing to do with business.
Yes, sir.
You create an institution, you can tell that I employ people and run the program.
Yes, sir. Well said. Well said.
I employ. See, in Chennai, there is one actor, and he's having 12 hospitals. He's having 12 hospitals. In the 12 hospitals, they conduct open heart surgery. Open heart surgery they are doing. Very famous hospital. But the owner is age failed.
Yes.
You cannot ask now, you are age failed, how you are running the hospital.
Yes,
that is company. That is company. That is company.
Yes, we need to learn, sir.
Company. Open a company, very simple. Create evidence. Let's got evidence.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Good evening, sir.
Thank you, sir. Understood.
Good evening, sir. Sir, in continuation to Sakshi ma'am's question, I am having a question. My question is that what if as you are emphasizing so much on practicing, sir, so what if a school counselor or the college counselor does the general counseling or the psychological counseling in schools and colleges, but then will they be given a counseling certificate to create an evidence? Because school counselors and the college counselors doesn't get the certificates from the organization.
See, that's what I'm telling you, Lika. It is, I am a counselor. Counselor is a person who should be able to create impact, influence others.
Correct.
Wherever you are doing program, request them. Please give me writing. Now, I will tell you, even we are going to offer, tomorrow you may be seeing, all over India, we are going to start free counseling to people. Okay. Now, what I am going to do is, you will get free counseling. You will get free counseling from my people. But the only one thing is, you have to give a video evidence that you have got counseling from such and so people. Okay. And now you are working. And it is absolutely free. 3 sessions absolutely free.
Okay.
Now, the thing is, if I have a video, someone telling that so-and-so Shivakumar has given me counseling, okay, and now I am 100% okay. If somebody gives a statement, okay, a video statement, evidence, create evidence. I do not know, 1 minute, let me complete. So, in counseling, the first thing is listening. Let me complete it. create evidence. Create evidence. Whether it will work or not, only the commission will know it. We do not know.
Yes.
Whatever I'm telling here, it is only an assumption.
These hours because going to be counted.
Yeah. So it is the simple thing is be prepared. Be
Yes, sir.
prepared. Yeah,
Yes,
someone
sir.
has asked it. Yes, sir.
These
Good evening,
sessions are
sir. Good
really
evening, sir.
helpful to us. Thank you.
Good
Thank you,
evening.
sir.
1 minute, sir
Good
is having.
Good evening, sir. I'm Shaukat speaking from Kashmir.
Shaukat from Kashmir.
Yes, sir.
Super.
Sir, yes,
Super.
sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I am working as a psychologist in Government District Hospital, Bandipora, Kashmir, and my
Then you don't have any problem.
yes, sir,
Don't have any problem.
so my qualification is post graduation and MPhil in psychology.
Then you need not bother. You need not bother at all. You can
Sir,
have
sir,
simple
I have a
coffee,
question.
tea.
Sir, I have a question. Sir, listen to me. Sir,
Yeah.
I have a question. What is the difference between psychologist and clinical psychologist? And what is the role of a, sir, what is the role of a psychologist and what is the role of a clinical psychologist? And is this bill or helpful for psychologists? Can we get the benefits of this? And what is the difference between RCI and allied health professionals?
Yeah, very nice, very nice. Shaukat, I wrote a letter 3 months back. I wrote a letter to RCA, okay, Rehabilitation Council of India, under Right to Information Act. I sent a letter and I asked them, what is your role in general counseling? Do you have any role in general counseling? Do you have, suppose if somebody practices premarital, postmarital counseling or life coaching without RCA registration, is it a crime? This is what I asked, and RCA has given me a reply that these things doesn't come under the purview of RCA. RCA is into rehabilitation. Very simple, rehabilitation. Clinical psychologists are the people who are authorized to undertake clinical assessments. For example, IQ assessment, okay, IQ assessment and other assessment. But they are they can take the assessment, but they cannot prescribe drugs. A clinical psychologist will work under a psychiatrist. Whatever psychiatrist, the assessment which he says, okay, the clinical psychologist will do it. So, psychologists, we are not authorized to conduct any kind of authorized clinical, assessment. Clinical assessment means, for example, even take the case of IQ. But now, since you are working in a government, hospital, if the psychiatrist is telling the psychologist to do the test, you can do it. Because your psychiatrist is telling, because you are not going to give any, drugs. So what the psychiatrist tells, that is going to be fine. In your case. But the simple definition is the clinical aspects. The clinical assessment, everything, only the clinical psychologists are empowered to do, not the psychologist. Here, this particular act, it is not, it is not for clinical psychology. It clearly states. You can see it here. It is not for clinical psychology. It is only for psychology. I'm going to the schedule now. See the schedule here. Okay. Read the schedule here. Now, see here. Psychologist 2634. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Psychologist 2634. Except clinical psychologists covered under RCI. So it says very clearly. So this is for psychologists. So
sir, I have one more question. Suppose I become a life coach, then do I need any registration or no?
No, you can practice life coach because it is not coming under any category.
And then if I become a life coach, and then can I do counseling as a life coach?
No, Bhanumati, that is what.
I cannot.
You can drink. Suppose if they say you should not drink coffee. You should not drink coffee. Okay. You can drink coffee and you can tell that actually I am drinking tea. I am not drinking coffee. It is up to you to tell. How you are managing things. See what happens now. There are many people. 1 minute, I will finish it. 1 minute. There are many people. They claim that I am the authorized person. And there are many people who go behind them. In fact, it is unregularized space. Counseling is completely unregularized space. There are many people telling you complete my training. You are becoming empowered. You are legally you can do counseling. Even in website, these are all the things written. Okay. People believe everything. People believe everything. Now the thing is, when it becomes an act, you cannot put a board in front of house that you are a psychologist. You cannot claim anywhere that I am a psychologist. But you can claim yourself as a life coach. Okay. If you go to your organization, if you conduct a stress management program, you have to call yourself as a life coach. You should never use a term counselor. Very simple. And in my opinion, as far as my 20 plus years of service, okay, life coaching has more avenues for business than psychology.
So you have a life coach program?
Yeah, we do programs, life coach programs. Even day after tomorrow, we are going to start.
Sir,
Chandra Bhushan. Yeah, Chandra Bhushan. Yeah, Bhanumati, we can discuss that in the personal video. Not here. Yeah.
Sir, actually, I have choose my post second year in a post graduation clinical psychology. So when I completed my post graduation, then I have to get some other certification or not. I can put as a counselor.
Chandra Bhushan, if clinical psychology, if you complete, okay, clinical psychology, they can register with RCA also. Isn't it?
Okay.
So you need not bother. You need not bother. Team, please mute your calls. The only thing is, Chandra Bhushan, what I'm telling is, to be on the safer side. Please mute your calls. The only thing is to be on the safer side. To be on the safer side, get one more degree. See, PG diploma in guidance and counseling, it is only 4,500 rupees in many of the universities. Get some degrees because it will take time. The act may come in May also, it may take time also. But we can get prepared. And the best thing is, Chandra Bhushan, now itself, create evidence that you are practicing.
Okay.
You register today, or you open a company name and register in Udyoga. It's a evidence, government evidence. You will be. You will get.
Right now, I'm pursuing. I did not completed it till now.
See,
it will be completed in December 2021.
Chandra Bhushan, you are not understanding. When you are starting a company, there is no need that Chandra Bhushan has to do the job.
Okay.
I told, I think you are not able to understand. Many universities are run by LKG failed politicians.
Right.
How they are running?
They hired someone.
Very simple, Chandra Bhushan. If you start a company, there is no need that you have to do it. You can employ people and do it.
But I have to show now that some people are.
Chandra Bhushan, there is no answer for all your questions. If you are, this is called actually, Chandra Bhushan, in transactional analysis, we call it as if but. If it happens, what will happen? If it happens, what will happen? There is no if and but. Chandra Bhushan, do something. Okay, if it works, it works. It doesn't work means it doesn't work. That's all. We cannot see. Commission is not in front of us. Na? What commission is going to do tomorrow only we know.
Yeah, of course, sir.
We can take some precautionary effort. Simple. If COVID has not to come, okay, what I have to do? I have to do precautions. The precautions we can take it now. What commission will do tomorrow, that God only knows. Even life coaching also they may bring into the avenue because it clearly states the commission will, after going through all the aspects, can add new categories or delete the existing categories. The commission has power. So tomorrow the commission may include graphology. Because when they include art therapy, okay, why they have not included NLP or graphology? Tomorrow they may include, or tomorrow they may exclude art therapy. Who knows it? Nobody knows it. Anything can happen tomorrow. Only for today, we can be prepared. We can be prepared. Very simple. Yeah, we will take one question and we will finish it.
Good evening, sir. Basically, I would like to ask one question. Can I?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
I am in AIMS, as you know, sir. And I am practicing counseling and family therapy since long, and I completed my MS in counseling and family therapy recently.
No
So,
problem.
no problem.
Woman,
Like
it is.
I'm in government. The concern is I'm in government setup.
No, you cannot register. You cannot register. See, if you are registered, it means it is against the provisions of your own organization.
Okay.
Your organization, central government organization, it has a rule when you are working in the government, you should not practice something else. So you cannot register at all. If you register, you'll be losing your job. The question is, so after retirement, you can register.
Okay.
Because, so in that case, you can practice life coaching after your working hours. But Suman, I do not know what is your conditions of the, what you call, employment. If it is under central government, rule number 14, it clearly says you should not practice any other thing. Rule number 14. Because I was in central government. Since I was practicing, I got rule number 14 and then I resigned.
Okay.
If you are under central government, rule number 14 really applicable, you cannot register.
But I won't charge, sir. I'm not charging anything. It is free of cost. That doesn't matter.
See, I was also doing free.
Okay.
The service conditions, what your service condition says. You have to go through your service conditions. What are the service conditions it says? So you cannot be part of political parties, isn't it? You cannot be part of political parties when you are working in a government sector, isn't it? Okay, team. Please post me your thoughts on the in my personal window. This is my number. Okay. And thank you very much for the people who have shared their link and all. Okay. So far, I have seen many links in my life. Okay. Starting a group is not a bigger thing. Doing things, it's very difficult things. So whoever starts, I wish them all success. Okay. We have to get benefit at last. Okay. So team, if anybody wants to join in our art therapy program, please get in touch. 1 month program and complete dance therapy and recreational therapy. Thank you very much.
Can you give us your personal number? Personal number so we can get in touch with you.
Yeah, I have given.
So can I
1 minute. I have sent my number, or otherwise you may be in some group. Vaishali will be there, or 63122. See, the simple aspect I'm telling you, the simple aspect. If anybody wants to establish yourself, take the franchise of Emocare. Because Emocare, nobody can say that I will not give, because we have evidence which cannot be refuted. We have evidence for the past 20 years. Take the franchise of Emocare. Nobody can do these things. Even if financially, if you are not able to take a franchise, you can enlist yourself in a global trainers and coaches organization. Okay. And I will give you 2 months time. In 2 months time, contact your local schools. Contact your local schools on behalf of global trainers and coaches. Because if you go and ask, they will ask, what is your qualification? What is your experience? If you represent global trainers organization, they cannot ask because we are having 20 years service. You can say that, sir, 20 years we are service. So I am representing global trainers and coaches organization. Get some program. We both will do. You are getting evidence. That is the evidence. Suppose tomorrow you are conducting a counseling program for teachers. Okay. It is a evidence. It is a evidence that nobody can refute, isn't it? So we are ready to give help. You can just contact your own admin, either Vaishali, Swati, or Gayatri, or Priya, or Preeti. Or you can directly text me. This is my number, 99616122. So due to time lag, I am not able to conduct the program on negotiations. It is very nice. It is a very beautiful one. Next week you will have. And I will share this presentation to all of you. If you have any thoughts today night, if you get also, please share. Please share with solutions. See, problems we all know. We need the solution. Are kya kare? Agar aisa ho gaya to kya kare? That is what negotiation. Okay? Agar aisa ho gaya
just one last question, please.
Yeah.
The thing is that I have done my MSc in psychology with organizational behavior in HRD from Central Universities as a regular student. And I've been working as a career counselor for past 4.5 to 5 years now. But I've also been trained in NLP and hypnosis, and I do have certificates for that also.
All these things are not recognized by the commission.
So I can practice those?
Yes, you can practice. That is what. NLP now you can practice it. You can tell yourself NLP practitioner and you can practice it. But the thing is, you cannot call yourself as a psychologist.
Okay, but
you cannot call yourself as a psychologist.
Hypnosis, I can't call myself as a psychologist. But
and you cannot practice. See, very simple thing. Suppose you are practicing by using, suppose you are practicing NLP and you are giving counseling to some people and something happens to that person. Okay. It says 1 lakh.
Okay.
You can do the things which will not land you legally in trouble.
Okay.
I
so I can practice the counseling part.
One minute. If you have completed NLP, the people who have completed NLP, okay, they will concentrate very less in counseling because counseling will not give you revenue. The people who have completed NLP, they will concentrate on where they will get revenue because then only you can grow now. See, for helping the society, we should do something. But if we can go on help the society, na, I should also रात के लिए dinner के लिए तो सब्जी चाहिए. So the people who practice NLP, okay, they concentrate on revenue. So we will be doing program in organizations. Not we will not be concentrating on the small price. We will be concentrating on the big price. Thank you, team. Thank you very much. Bye bye. We will meet next week. Bye bye. Get in touch with me if at all you want to join in the art therapy program.